Raghav, a 28-year-old young man, always used to say, "I don't have time." But did he really have no time? Or was he just wasting it? Wake up in the morning, rush through breakfast, run to the office, get stuck in meetings, come back home, scroll through social media, and fall asleep watching Netflix. Does your life look the same? If yes, then this story could be yours too. One day, Raghav met an old man running a small roadside shop, around 80 years old, but his face radiated peace and confidence. Raghav asked, "Grandpa, at your age, people usually retire and rest. Why are you still working?" The old man smiled. "Son, I am not working. I am managing my time. When I was your age, I also used to think that I had no time, but in reality, I was just wasting it." Raghav was shocked to hear this. He asked, "But how do I stop wasting time? I already have so little of it." The old man replied, "Son, if someone gives you 100 crores, but with one condition, that you won't wake up tomorrow morning, would you take it? Think about it. Would you say yes?" Raghav was stunned. "Absolutely not. So that means your morning is worth more than 100 crores, yet you waste it every single day? Have you ever thought about it this way?" The old man continued, "Time is like a horse. If you ride it, it will take you to your destination. But if you let it go, it will trample you under its feet. Every morning ask yourself, am I riding this horse or am I letting it pass me by?" Raghav was deep in thought. Scientific time management. Will you try it? The old man explained, "A Harvard study says that the most successful people in the world follow the time boxing technique. This means they pack every hour of their day into a structured box. Like this, 6 to 7 a.m., exercise 7 to 8 a.m., learning or self-improvement 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., work 6 to 8 p.m., family time 9 to 10 p.m., Netflix but limited. If you plan your hours, you control time. If you don't, time will control you. Do you think this is easy, or will you once again make the excuse, 'I don't have time'?" That night, Raghav made a decision. "From now on, I will value my time." He set limits on social media, adopted the time boxing technique, and started asking himself every morning, "Am I riding the horse of time today?" Within a few months, his life transformed. His career started growing, he felt healthier, and most importantly, he started truly living each day. Lesson: value time because it is worth more than 100 crores. Time will run for you if you guide it in the right direction. Use techniques like time boxing to plan every hour of your day. Every morning, ask yourself, am I riding the horse of time? Now the decision is yours. Will you control time, or will time control you?